Okay folks, there we go. There's a few more patches where you see the fresh stuff. There, and here, and here. Those are, I'd say, I don't want to say the complete last of the low spots, but yeah, it's kind of weird because you got an angle that's flat here, curved in here, and it comes up slightly curved here, and then it goes flat. So like I said, I've never done anything like this before, so I'm trying to find exactly where it all goes, and I'm just looking at the other side. But like I said, it's not going to be perfect, but you know, hey, live and learn, eh? At least I haven't lost the holes in it yet. But anyhow, yeah, so I figure I'll end up probably taking off that top piece of chrome there and then shooting out to, I don't know, the red, I don't know, maybe somewhere around here or something like that. I'm not too sure, but it's gonna be more than what I anticipated. But what the hell, eh? But like I said, it's good now. All I'm gonna do underneath here on the other side is just rust proof it, whatever I got, the best way I can. So if anybody out there knows a good way of rust proofing it besides the spray paint you can get and everything that inhibits rust, whatever, undercoating, let me know, okay? And thanks to all the folks out there who've been watching my vids. I mean, they're nothing spectacular, but hey, it's progress, and I'm slowly coming back. Just gotta get into the swing of things again, okay? So, till later, everyone take care, peace out, build on, and like I always say, have fun with your family. Okay, bye.